We'll guide you through how to use a torch in your left hand in Minecraft PE. First of all, close out of your world. Head to the link in the description and we can go and get a mod for this. So all you need to do is scroll down here and download it. I'll go through how you can set it up. You'll need to download the behavior pack and also the resource pack. After you've downloaded it, find your downloads. This will vary depending upon your device. Go and click on it like so, and it should then open up in Minecraft. It should then go and import it, as you can see. You need to do it for the other pack as well, and now I've done it. Now there's a few things we need to change. You can create a new world or do this to an existing one. Go over to the right of the world and click on the edit button. Scroll down the game settings until you see experiments, and you want to go and switch these on like so. After they're enabled, on the left, go into Resource Packs and click on My Packs and find the torch offhand and click on Activate, and do the same thing for behavior packs as well. What you need to do is put the torches into a crafting table to make an offhand torch. So keep on tapping it, and now when you go and look at your inventory, you can go and see it's appearing in your offhand. You can move them out if you want, but as you can see, there we are.